Why doesn't Pennzoil Ultra Platinum have Dexos approval when it's one of the highest quality synthetic oils on the market? If you've got a GM vehicle that requires Dexos certified oil, you've probably noticed it doesn't carry that certification. Does that mean it doesn't meet GM standards? Can you use it in your GM engine? Or is there something else going on? After over 10 years in this industry, I'll show you why Pennzoil lacks Dexos approval, if it meets the spec, and if you should care. If you care about protecting your vehicle with facts, hit that subscribe button now. It helps me bring content dealers don't want you to see. Let's break down what's really happening here. First, what is Dexos? It's General Motors' proprietary oil certification standard. Introduced in 2011, it sets specific performance requirements for oils used in GM engines. There are different versions: Dexos 1 for gasoline engines and Dexos 2 for diesel engines in Europe. The most current version for gasoline engines in North America is Dexos 1 Gen 3. Introduced in 2020, Dexos certification requires oils to pass tests measuring oxidation resistance, deposit control, wear protection, and fuel economy. Also emissions compatibility and viscosity stability. These tests are conducted at GM-approved labs. If the oil passes, the manufacturer can pay GM for the right to use the DEXOS certification mark on their packaging. That last part is critical. Passing tests isn't enough. You also have to pay for certification and maintain it annually. And that's where this story gets interesting. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is formulated with Pure Plus technology, a gas-to-liquid base stock derived from natural gas rather than crude oil. This GTL base stock is extremely pure, with virtually no sulfur, very low volatility, and excellent thermal properties. It's high-quality stuff, arguably on par with or better than many Group 4 POW synthetic base stocks. Pennzoil's additive package is also robust, with strong detergency, good anti-wear protection, and solid oxidation resistance. So if Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is such a high-quality oil, why doesn't it have Dexos certification? The answer isn't that it can't pass the tests. Pennzoil has chosen not to pursue Dexos certification for Ultra Platinum. That decision comes down to business strategy and cost-benefit analysis. Let's talk about what it costs to get Dexos approval. Testing alone can run $50,000 to $100,000 per formulation. Then there's the licensing fee to use the Dexos logo. This is an annual cost that can be tens of thousands of dollars. GM can also require retesting if they update the Dexos specification, which means additional costs down the road. For a company like Pennzoil, owned by Shell, that cost isn't prohibitive. They could absolutely afford it. But here's the question: does Dexos certification increase sales enough to justify the cost? Pennzoil already has Dexos certification on some products. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic carries Dexos 1 Gen 2 approval. That's their mid-tier synthetic, widely sold at dealerships and quick lube chains that service GM vehicles. For that product, Dexos certification makes business sense because it's positioned as an OEM equivalent oil. Shops and consumers buying Pennzoil Platinum for GM vehicles want to see the Dexos logo to confirm approval. But Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is positioned differently. It's their premium product, marketed to enthusiasts and informed consumers who prioritize performance over brand certifications. Ultra Platinum costs more than platinum. The target customer for Ultra Platinum researches oil quality, reading spec sheets, and making decisions based on technology, not just looking for an OEM certification logo. Pennzoil's calculation seems to be that customers buying Ultra Platinum either don't need Dexos, or they're knowledgeable enough to understand that meeting the spec matters more than having the logo. Spending $50,000 to $100,000 on testing and licensing for a certification that doesn't significantly increase sales doesn't make financial sense. Now here's the critical question: does Pennzoil Ultra Platinum actually meet Dexos 1 specifications, even though it doesn't have the certification? And the answer, based on available data, is yes, it almost certainly does. Pennzoil publishes technical data sheets for Ultra Platinum that show it meets or exceeds APISP, EELSAC, GF6A, and various OEM specifications. The performance benchmarks for those standards overlap significantly with Dexos 1 requirements. While Pennzoil doesn't explicitly claim Dexos 1 compliance on the bottle, the formulation is designed to meet modern GM engine requirements. I've reviewed independent oil analysis comparing Pennzoil Ultra Platinum to Dexos 1 certified oils like Mobil 1 and Pennzoil Platinum in identical GM engines. At 7,500 miles, the used oil data is nearly identical. TBN retention, wear metals, viscosity stability, oxidation resistance. Ultra Platinum performs on par with or slightly better. The chemistry supports the claim that it meets the spec, even without official certification. Let me give you a real-world example. I had a customer with a 2019 Chevy Silverado with the 5.3-liter V8, an engine that requires Dexos 1 Gen 2 certified oil. He wanted to use Pennzoil Ultra Platinum because he liked the Pure Plus base stock technology, but he was worried about warranty coverage. Since Ultra Platinum doesn't have the Dexos logo, I told him legally, under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, GM cannot void your warranty just because you used a non-certified oil as long as the oil meets the required specifications. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum meets a PISP and ILSAC GF6A, which are the industry standards that Dexos 1 is built on. The oil meets spec. He decided to use it. At 60,000 miles, he had an unrelated issue with a fuel injector that required warranty work. The dealership performed the repair without any issues, never questioning the oil choice. This real-world example demonstrates that using a high-quality, non-Dexos certified oil that meets industry standards is perfectly acceptable and won't void your warranty. So, should you care that Pennzoil Ultra Platinum doesn't have Dexos approval? If you're an informed enthusiast who prioritizes performance and understands oil specifications, then no, you shouldn't care. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is a top-tier oil that meets or exceeds the performance requirements of Dexos 1, even without the official stamp. If you prefer the peace of mind of seeing the logo, then Pennzoil Platinum is a great choice. Ultimately, the choice is yours, but now you have the facts to make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into automotive care. The dealership asked what oil he'd been using. He said Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. The service advisor said that's not Dexos certified. My customer said it meets a PISP and ILSA CGF6A, standards Dexos 1 is based on. The advisor didn't push back. GM covered the repair. The oil wasn't the issue and it met spec, so no basis to deny coverage. But here's the reality. Not every dealership is that reasonable. Some advisors will claim your warranty is void for non-Dexos oil, despite legal inaccuracy. If you're under warranty and want zero hassle, using a Dexos certified oil eliminates that potential conflict. If you're willing to stand your ground and cite the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, you can use Ultra Platinum with confidence. Now let's talk about any performance difference between Pennzoil Ultra Platinum and Dexos 1 certified oils. Based on my experience analyzing used oil and tearing down engines, the answer is no. There's no meaningful performance gap. Ultra Platinum often performs better. Its Pure Plus GTL base stock has lower volatility and better oxidation resistance than Group 3 bases in Dexos 1 oils. I've torn down GM engines at 150,000 miles running Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, changed every 7,500 miles, and identical engines running Dexos 1 certified Mobile 1 at the same interval. Both engines looked clean. Both had minimal varnish. Both had well-preserved bearings and cam lobes. The performance in real-world use is essentially equivalent. Here's another angle to consider. Dexos 1 certification is GM's way of controlling the oil market for their vehicles. By creating a proprietary standard and charging licensing fees, they generate revenue from oil companies and maintain influence. It's a smart business move for GM, but it doesn't mean non-certified oils are inadequate. It just means those oils haven't paid for GM's approval. Pennzoil has made a business decision that the cost of Dexos certification for Ultra Platinum doesn't justify the benefit. They'd rather invest that money in improving the formulation, marketing the product's unique base stock technology, or expanding distribution. From a business standpoint, that's reasonable. From a consumer standpoint, it means you need to be informed about what you're buying. Let's talk about other OEM certifications. Because this isn't unique to Dexos, many oil companies skip certain OEM approvals for similar reasons. Ford has WSS specifications. Chrysler has MS specifications. European manufacturers have their own proprietary standards. Getting all these certifications for every product would cost millions of dollars. Oil companies pick and choose based on market demand. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum has some certifications. It meets a PI/ILSAC and certain OEM specs where it made business sense. But they didn't pursue Dexos for Ultra Platinum because the target customer base for that product doesn't require it. Here's my professional take. If your GM vehicle requires Dexos 1 certification and you're under warranty, the path of least resistance is to use a Dexos 1 certified oil. That eliminates any potential warranty hassle. You won't have to argue with service advisors or cite federal law to protect your coverage. But if you're out of warranty or willing to stand your ground on the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is an excellent oil. The lack of Dexos certification is a business decision by Pennzoil, not a performance shortcoming. The oil chemistry supports safe use in GM engines. If you prioritize oil quality and understand base stock technology, Ultra Platinum's Pure Plus GTL base is arguably superior to some Dexos 1 certified oils. You're getting excellent protection, you just don't have the certification logo to show the dealership if they ask. Here's what I tell customers. If the Dexos logo gives you peace of mind and eliminates warranty concerns, use Pennzoil Platinum. If you want the absolute best Pennzoil formulation and you're confident in your rights, use Ultra Platinum. Both will protect your GM engine well. The choice is about your comfort level with potential warranty disputes, not about oil quality. Now let's address one more thing. GM's position on this. If you call GM customer service and ask if you can use non-Dexos oil, they'll tell you no. They'll say you must use Dexos certified oil to maintain warranty coverage. That's GM's official position, but that position doesn't override federal law. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act says a manufacturer can only deny warranty coverage if they prove the product you used caused the failure. Meeting the spec is what matters legally, not having the certification logo. That said, fighting a warranty dispute is stressful and time-consuming. For most people, it's easier to just use certified oil and avoid the hassle. But if you're someone who values oil quality and you're willing to defend your choice, you have the legal right to use oils that meet spec, even if they're not officially certified. Here's the bottom line. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum doesn't have Dexos certification because Pennzoil chose not to pursue it for business reasons, not because the oil can't meet the standard. The formulation meets the performance requirements GM engines need. If you're under warranty and you want zero complications, stick with Dexos certified oils. If you're out of warranty or you're confident in your rights, Ultra Platinum is a premium oil that will protect your GM engine exceptionally well. The lack of certification is about corporate strategy and cost-benefit analysis, not about oil quality. Don't confuse the two. What are you running in your GM vehicle? Are you sticking with Dexos certified oils for warranty protection? Or are you using non-certified oils based on formulation quality? Drop a comment with your approach. And if this cleared up the mystery of why premium oils sometimes lack OEM certifications, hit that like button. Next week, I'm breaking down European oil specifications ASEA VW504 BMWLL01 and why they're so different from American standards. If you've ever been confused by Euro oil specs, that video is for you. If you're not subscribed, hit that button now. Drop a comment. I respond to everyone. Thanks for watching.